In this video, I'm going to give you the answer for this question, and the question is: Ben Bailey hosts a game show in what unusual setting? Well, I'll give you a list of the option, and here is the list of the option. The very first option is library, the second option is cruise ship, the third option is shopping mall, and the very last option is taxicab. Now I'll give you the correct answer of the question, and the correct answer of the question is taxicab. And here is the reason why taxicab is the correct answer compared to other option. Well, Ben Bailey hosts a game show in the unusual settings of a taxicab. While a game show set in library, cruise ship, or shopping mall could offer unique opportunities for entertainment, Ben Bailey's hosting role in the game show Cash Cab distinguished itself by taking place inside a taxicab. Cash Cab featured unsuspecting taxi passengers who became contestants on the show, answering trivia questions during their cab ride in the hopes of winning cash prizes. So that is correct answer for the question, taxi cab.
Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.